Record numbers of teenagers are turning to social media for their health advice, and the Royal Children's Hospital is calling it a crisis. Doctors say almost 80% of teens are struggling to filter fact from fiction.
TikTok has a hold on teen health like never before.
Here's my skinny girl secret that literally nobody asked for.
Royal Children's Hospital researchers sounding the alarm.
Seeing the way misinformation can mislead young people to make harmful decisions about their health is really a crisis for our healthcare system.
The new tan line trend.
I must have the most dramatic tan lines in the world.
Is one of the worst offenders.
I just like being tan, and I like the look of them, but I do know the risks of it as well.
Dangerous too is the flood of skincare products being pushed.
And we've seen harms from people applying products to their skin and actually getting things so, as serious as burns from that.
The research found teens are turning to parents, friends, then social media. Only 16% are consulting a doctor or nurse for health information. 15-year-old Willow Byrne is conscientious, but still struggles with what's trustworthy.
It can be quite difficult and overwhelming to decipher what might be correct.
80% of teens are in the same boat.
New laws aimed at preventing under 16s from accessing social media come into effect at the end of this year. Medical professionals say it will help, but it's not a silver bullet.
But that doesn't actually involve anything to do with AI, which is completely separate from social media.
Laura Turner, 7 News.